Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Labang, the new office mate. From the previous video, we transferred the balance of merchandise inventory. Now, for this video, we will transfer the cash account and the account receivable. Let's start for the cash, this one. And then let's go to chart of account to create cash account. Click new, then click bank because this is a cash in bank. Click here, then bank account. Then here, checking, account name. Let's copy this one and paste it here. In the description, usually you can put here the bank account number. Opening balance, other date. Then let's copy this one and we will date this September 29, 2021. And the balance is this one. And that's it. Let's save this one. There you go, the cashing bank that we just created. Let's click here to view the entry. The transaction recorded in opening balance equity. Let's change this. Let's change this and edit it. No need to edit. We will just click here and look for owner's capital. Let's type owner's capital, this one. Then save and close. Yes. Let's go to chart of account. And also let's go to balance sheet and refresh this one. There you go. And the date is September 30, 2021. The amount. Let's go down to capital. Yeah, it's okay. Now let's go to chart of account and create the two remaining cash account. Let's click here. Oh, there's no duplicate. Let's just click new. Then bank. Bank account. Checking. Let's copy this one and paste it in account name. Starting date and other date. Copy this one and paste it here. And the amount, this one, paste it here. Then save. Then click here. Honors, this one. Then save. Let's go back to chart of account. And let's create the last one. Click new. Bank account. This time this is saving. And the account name. Then starting date. Click here, other date, and the date, and also the amount. And save. And click here. And also here, honors, this one. Then save. Yes. Let's go back to chart of account, and also in the balance sheet, refresh. There you go, the three cash in bank that we just created. Let's check the amount as well as the total. It's 3826. Yes, it's correct. Let's go down. It's okay. For the account receivable, it's 401,124.65. I have the breakdown for this here in sales tab. This one. Yeah, this one. Let's check if the amount is correct. 104,124. Yeah, it's correct. Let's go to let's go here. Let's go here. Then let's go to sales and then customer. Add customer manually. Let's copy this one and paste it here. For now, I don't have the details for this customer, but the information here is very basic. So you can put anything here, the details for your customer. Let's go here. Let's change the date and the amount. Let's check if we can, let's check if there's an option that we can put this in capital account. I think there's no option. I think the details here has no option that we can record it to capital account. But I think this will go to income. So save. The year is wrong. It's 2020. We will edit this to 2021. We cannot edit it here because we already saved it. Oh, it's 2020. Let's edit this to 2021. Let's go to chart of account and edit it. Click here. Then here. There you go. Wait, we will change this to 2021 as well as here. Oh, it's already changed. Then then save. Yes. Then let's go back to customers, then refresh. Now the date is already changed to 2021. Now let's go to balance sheet. Refresh and let's check. Yeah, it's here 21,000. It's correct. If we click it here, and there you go. As you can see, it's an invoice. So this was recorded to revenue or income, not in capital account. Let's go back to balance sheet and let's go down. There you go. It's income. Since this is recorded in income, so there's no option that we can record this to capital account. So we will just reclass this either in capital account or retaining earning. We will do the reclass after we've done all the balance transferred in QuickBook. For now, we will just leave it here in net income. Let's go back. Customer. Then add new customer. Then copy this one and paste it here. Click here. Then copy this one and paste it here. And the amount. And save. Customer. I think there's an option here. Yeah, this is an option if you want to import your customer. If you have a lot of customer, you can import it here. For now, I have less than 20 customers that I will encode in QuickBooks, so I will not do the import. I will just encode this manually. Since I already have two customers that I encoded, I will stop the video and I will continue encoding the remaining customers account, and I will be back once I have done encoding all the remaining customers account. Hello guys, I'm back. For the last customer, click customer, then add new customer, copy this one and paste it here. Copy this one also and click here, paste it here, and the amount, save. Okay, I'm done encoding all customers account. Let's go to customer, and these are all the customers that I encoded including the amount. Now let's go to balance sheet. Refresh. There you go, the total is 401,124. Yes. Let's go down and see the other side of the amount, which is the net income. Let's go to reports, profit and loss. Let's change the date, 2021. This this September 30, 2021. Then run. There you go, it recorded in the service income. But there is another way that we can record this to capital account by doing the journal entry. So we will just leave it here in the net income, but we will reclass this after we've done all the transferring the balance to QuickBook. Let's go to balance sheet. Let's click it here. We have all the transaction here that we encoded. As you can see, all are recorded in the opening balance. Let's try to click here to let you see if there's an option that we can record this to capital account. Yeah, there's no option, only product and service and description. Let's cancel this one. Then let's go back to report. Here. account receivable, account receivable aging summary. Let's click this one. We will try it here. We will explore. Let's change the date to 2021, 30. There you go. Here, this is the aging report as of September 30, 2021. Then let's go to balance sheet and click it here. Click here, then let's try vendor. Then run. Uh, oh, I'm sorry. It's not vendor, but it's a customer. Let's change this to customer. Then run. There you go. This is what I'm looking for. This is in a per customer count and balances. So next, so next, so next is the allowance for doubtful account. For allowance for doubtful account, we will use the total method. Like for example, a 10% of total account receivable, but we can also use in a per customer basis. But that method, it's very difficult, it's very confusing. So to make it simple, we use the total method. Now let's go to chart of account if we can set up here the allowance for doubtful account. Click new, then asset, then account receivable. So we cannot do it here. So let's just go further. Account receivable, then let's copy this one and paste it here. As you can see, it's not a sub account of account receivable. I want it to show in the balance sheet as a sub account of account receivable. So much better if we can do it right away in a journal entry. So let's go to journal entry. Click here, then new, then journal entry. This one. We can do the journal entry right away here for allowance for doubtful account, but I will let you show what a sub account is. Then copy this one and paste it here. This is account receivable. Click here, sub account, then account receivable. Then save and close. Let's cancel first this one and let's go to chart of account to let you see the allowance for doubtful account as a sub account of account receivable. There you go. We have now here as a sub account of account receivable. Let's go back to the journal entry and this one, journal entry. Then we will date this September 29, 2021. Then here we will record it to retaining earning. Why retaining earning? Because the book of manual bookkeeping was already closed. That's why we will record this to retaining earning. And the amount, and also, and then here the allowance, allowance, oops, allowance, this one. There you go. And in the name field, we need to put the customer's name here. First, here in the description, let's put here an opening balance. Opening balance. As well as here. Let's try to save it, but it will be error because we need to put the customer here in the field name. Save and close. There you go. This transaction has one or more missing class field. Yes, let's click yes. There you go. Name field. So we will make a dummy customer account here because this is in a per total basis. We will name this miscellaneous customer, then total. Miscellaneous customer total. Then save. Now let's save and close. We have it here now. It is a negative. Let's try to click here. It's opening balance. Let's check this in a balance sheet. Balance sheet. There you go. It's negative and it is a sub account of account receivable. Let's check the amount. 400 and then 20,000. This is okay. Let's try to check the net amount. If we minus this one, enter. Let's check the amount. Yeah, it's correct. Let's go down. We have a negative retaining earning. No worries about it because this is not the final amount of retaining earning. We have it here in the Excel, the final retaining earning amount, this one. We will fix this amount after we have done all the balances transferred to QuickBooks. For now, we will just leave it as it is and we will just fix the amount later. So that's it for today's video. If you learned something from it, kindly like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload new video. So for the next video, we will be transferring the balance of other current asset. And thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Goodbye.